Our mission is very much about helping people realise their dreams, to achieve things that they're hoping to achieve in their life. And we support people to do all sorts of things, have a strong focus on the arts, to get healthy, to learn independent living skills. We primarily work with people with a disability, so we provide a wide range of services and supports and things that we do offer people. We were so excited about the solar project. It's made a big difference to us. On multiple levels, we're very conscious of the environmental issues facing the world, and we wanted to do our little bit to reduce emissions. So we were like, what we need is a solar grant. I wonder if there's any going, or maybe not. Let's have a look. So we just started Googling, as you do, and came across Essential Energy Solar Grant. Couldn't believe it, thought it was meant to be. We operate during the day, and at most of the time, this building in particular is not used at night. So we can use all of the power that we generate to run our air conditioning and our screens and our music equipment and so on, and obviously save on electricity bills, because the electricity bills are a significant factor in running a centre, and we will be able to offer far more opportunities for people. We've got a big gaming group, a group of people that love to game together, and community is the glue that holds people together, and we're supporting people to live a good life, basically.